Yo, I'm the infamous one, back in here with another video. And this time, if you didn't know, I'm a Virginia Tech fan. So, football, obviously. So, and basketball, I'm a Kentucky fan, NBA Heat fan, and NFL Titans fan. So, yes, I'm going to be talking about Virginia Tech versus Alabama tomorrow, ESPN at 5:30. Yes, I'm going to be talking about that. This game is going to be a big game, obviously, and people have written us off, and obviously they don't think we're going to win. And guess what? I'm going on a limb. I think we're going to win. I don't care about any of the other stuff. That stuff doesn't matter when you hit the field, and I believe we're going to win. I may look like a moron tomorrow night. I don't care. We are going to win this game, and I believe in our team. We're going to win this game. Okay? We're going to win. And I'm going to tell you how we're going to win. First, we can't be having all these turnovers. Just anything, period. Especially turnovers with special teams. You know, giving up really good field position with these kick returns. That can't happen. Punt returns, that stuff, you know, that stuff has got to be eliminated. But especially when you already are losing, that only exacerbates the problem when you sit here and you give up great field position to the other team. And that's not, obviously, that's not good. That doesn't help us win. So, yeah. Next, we got to have some impact plays. We got to force a fumble. We got to take a kick return back for a touchdown, block a field goal. We just got to do something. And it doesn't have to be right off the bat, even though I am looking for that right off the bat. And it can be something smaller than that right off the bat. Even if it's just a sack, just a hard hit in the backfield first play. Let them know that we here. Just the small things, you know. Let them know that we here. We here to play. You know, there's no time to fool around with us. We here and we going to beat you. That's what's going to happen, right? And, yeah, and, you know, it could be like a sack or whatever, you know, early in the game. But later on in the game, that big kick return for a touchdown or you know, that field goal block, that'll definitely help out a whole lot. Next, our offensive line has got to block better than they have, like they did last year. And I believe they'll be better than they were last year. But again, that has to be improved. We cannot be having mad Alabama players rolling around, you know, coming from all directions, destroying the quarterback. Like, no, that can't happen. Our offensive line hasn't been that good in the past few years, so that has to be better. And like I said, I believe these things will happen. I believe it will be better despite all the injuries and everything. And also, our defensive line needs to win the battle up front. We have got to be able to stop the run. And being able to stop the run is partially a thing with not just what you do on defense against Alabama necessarily, but getting a lead on them. Because they're very, very hard to stop on the run. From any time I've watched them, they are extremely hard to stop running the ball. But what you can do is if you manage to get a lead, which is nothing, and there's no easy task to accomplish. But if you manage to get a lead, and I believe that we can get that lead, which again, that goes back to my X Factor plays. You know, we got to get those special teams plays, turnovers, things like that transition into points off those turnovers, or very easy points at the most, you know, if it's not a special teams score. We need those plays, okay? Yeah, so, yeah, you get those X-Factor plays, impact plays like that, you know, not turning the ball over. We get our blocker, you know, we get our offensive line to block. We can establish a running game. We get some plays, you know, and I'm making it sound easier than it is, I know. But, again, it's possible, it's doable. And in case this video cut me off, I'm about to end this right quick. So, yeah, man, just offensive line. You basically mainly control the line of scrimmage, get them out of their element, get a lead, force them to have to pass, make some big plays, and we have a chance to win. So, until next time, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and that is all.